Your Peugeot is equipped with a system that allows you to view your vehicle's surroundings on the touch screen. The system uses cameras on the front and back of your vehicle and beneath its door mirrors. Rear vision is automatically displayed when reverse gear is engaged, the engine is running, and the vehicle is stationary. After rear vision activation, front vision is automatically displayed. If you switch out of reverse gear into another gear, the engine is running, and the vehicle's speed is below 10 miles per hour. You can deactivate the on-screen camera view by pressing the cross in the top left-hand corner of the touchscreen. The screen is split into 4 parts, 2 side menus, a contextual view, and a view from above, showing the vehicle in its surroundings. Different views are available for the rear or front. When you approach an obstacle from a distance of 30 centimeters or less, the automatic zoom view is displayed, and the obstacle is represented by a red line. This view is solely automatic. The standard view is displayed on the screen, thanks to the front or rear camera. The width lines, which are blue at the back and yellow at the front, represent the width of your vehicle with its door mirrors unfolded. The width lines move according to the position of the steering wheel. The red line represents a distance of 30 centimeters from the front or rear bumper, and the 2 blue lines at the back, or yellow lines at the front, represent 1 meter and 2 meters from the vehicle respectively. This view is available automatically, or in the left-hand view selection menu. The rear or front panoramic view allows you to drive out of a parking spot at a speed of up to 6 miles per hour, whilst anticipating the arrival of vehicles, pedestrians, or cyclists, moving at over 2 miles per hour, and at a maximum distance of 40 meters from your vehicle. This view is not automatic. You must select it in the left-hand side menu. Depending on the context, the system chooses the best view to display, standard view or automatic zoom view. At any time during your maneuver, you can modify the type of view. You can also choose one of the lateral views that will allow you to view as far down as your vehicle's wheels. In the side menu, solely for the Peugeot 3008, you will find the rear camera cleaning function. For the Peugeot 5008, camera cleaning is paired with the rear wiper. Still in the left-hand menu, you will find the volume control for the acoustic signal.